Hello, I'm Steve Barnett, Superintendent of the Paulding County School District. Before deciding whether to opt out of the statewide floating homestead exemption, it's important to consider the uniqueness of Paulding County and how this change could affect the school district. With almost 32,000 students, Paulding County School District is the 11th largest of Georgia's 180 districts. We are the 8th fastest growing large school district in Georgia. 86% of the tax digest in Paulding County comes from residential properties, compared to an average of 62% in our neighboring districts. This means our school district relies heavily on residential property taxes, unlike other districts that have much larger commercial and industrial tax bases. As a result, initiatives like the statewide floating homestead exemption have a disproportional impact on our school district. Due to the extraordinary residential housing growth in Paulding County, which the local Board of Education cannot control, and the composition of the county's tax digest, our school district is one of the largest, fastest growing, and ultimately lowest wealth school districts in the state of Georgia on a per pupil basis.